Okay, so in my last video, somebody said that I wasn't really clear on how to make the slushies. So I'm gonna do it over again just so you guys can see, and I'm gonna be more clear, okay? Sorry about that. So in order to do your slushies, you need a small Ziploc bag. Small Ziploc bag. You can use any cold drink. Any cold drink will do. So what I'm gonna do is pour my cold drink, you can tell it's never been opened, into the Ziploc bag, okay? So look, okay, pouring it in now. Okay, that's all I'm gonna do. Okay, so when you do it, make sure you have no air in the bag, and make sure your bag is zipped tight, okay? And I'm also gonna double the bag because I don't want it to leak out. So that's what I'm doing. I'm putting it into this bag. Making sure it's closed tight. Make sure your bag closed because you don't want it to leak out. Yeah. All right. Make sure my bag closed tight. Make sure I got that out. This one. Close this one tight. Okay. So it's closed tight. Okay. Next, you need a cup of salt. You can use any salt. Salt. And like I got the cheap salt, the dollar store one, as you can see, you need like a cup. So this all the salt I'm gonna use for y'all. So I'm gonna add a little more. So I got my salt. Okay. Then you're going to need a cup of ice. After you put your salt, I put the salt to the side. A bigger Ziploc bag. See, big Ziploc bag. Okay, a cup of ice. Any kind of ice will do. Just make sure you have enough ice. So look, you guys. Make sure it's closed, because last time it didn't work for me because I didn't have my bag closed. So you put the bag you put the cold drink in into a bigger bag, right? Like I said, make sure everything's closed tightly. So look, you guys, closed tightly. Now the ice that I have, I'm gonna pour it into the bag, okay? Look at the ice. So, the ice. See how much ice? I'll pull a little more just in case. Out of my freezer. Put it in there, right? Oh, it fell into the salt. That's okay. And then you pour the salt into the bag over everything. Look, right? So now I'm gonna close this bag up, let the air out of it. Of course, that's the key to everything. For it to come out right. And then we're going to shake it. Shake, shake, shake to the bottom of the lake. He gave me a nickel to buy me a pickle. The pickle too sweet. I want a piece of meat. Oh, I can feel it getting cold. So it's still shaking, you guys. Just shake it. Shake the bag up. You guys see the salt and everything? My hands are getting cold, so I'm still shaking the bag, you guys. I'm hitting it on the bench because my hands are freezing. Shake. You have to shake the bag in order for it to work. up the salt and the ice. So now what I'm gonna do, because I see my bag like it's about to bust, you can open it up and let some of the air out. So look, it's still watery, so I'm gonna let the air out. I have to keep shaking. Keep shaking it, you guys. All right. Ooh, it's cold. Keep shaking it. So keep shaking. My hands are cold, so I'm taking a break from shaking it like that. Man, it's cold. Look at me shaking it. Oh shit, I ain't in my bed clothes. Let me close my bed up. My hands are freezing. Backtrack. Use this because I'm tired. My hands really cold, so I'm just gonna walk up and shake. Shake. Keep shaking the bag, y'all. My hands are cold, so I'm tired of shaking it. So, all right, now let's see. Pouring it out of the bag. Let's pour it into this cup. See how I do. So I'm taking it out of the bag, you guys. Ooh! You can see the ice in it. You can see the inside of it. And there you go. Ooh, the slushy. Look, if I would have shook it, it would have been a little more better, but look. So that's how you make your slushy. See, you guys? So the key to it is just basically shaking it. You could use any salt to make it. So like, comment, and subscribe. They're so good too. See the slushy? If I would have kept shaking, it would have been a little more thicker. All right, I'm done. I'm out.